What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. Yes, it's me Jimmy Geek. I bought a Legend of the Zelda leather wallet from Amazon for around 20 US dollar. Jump to the unboxing table. Jump to the unboxing table.
I gave my hand for you to hold.
So finally here is the unboxing and my review on the Legend of the Zelda Wallet. This is one of the officially licensed wallet from Nintendo to BioWare. I'm a huge Zelda fan. I am a huge Zelda fan. Why I bought this one? The number one reason I only use a wallet with a chain because I travel a lot. I don't want someone like stealing my wallet. And then I know here is no zipper. I could not put my coin, but to put my keys I will be using this one. The number one impression, yeah, the first impression. Let me talk about the first impression. I mean, literally this is one of the most beautiful thing ever. I look since sliced bread. I mean, look at it. This is made from pure metal. I mean, this is pure metal, hard quality metal. Okay, now let me open this one. This wallet is absolutely beautiful. I mean, wow, I mean, this is one of the most beautiful wallet ever I have seen. Okay, wow, I mean, wow, I'm amazed. The chain is quite long. You see by yourself. The chain is quite long. I mean, okay, I can use this one for my key or for my pant, and this one I can use it to put on, yeah, on my pant also. I mean, the chain is quite good. Even I mean, replace the chain with any another chain I like. I mean, this is really very beautiful. So inside is green, my country color, Pakistan country color, green, long live green. The Legend of the Zelda. I'm a huge Zelda fanboy. The best Zelda game of all time is Twilight Princess. Yes, Breath of the Wild is absolutely a masterpiece, but still not better than the Twilight Princess. So, and this wallet is following the theme of the Twilight Princess. Here, I can put my. I don't know, my future wife picture. I don't know, my girlfriend picture. I don't know, my maybe Zelda picture. Yeah, I love Zelda so much. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I can put Zelda picture. I can put some like credit card. I can put some more something here. Awesome, this is a absolutely beautiful wallet. I mean, this is the absolutely beautiful wallet. I mean, I want to show you. I mean, look at it. Wow, look at it. Wow. So this is a must buy. If you wanna buy this wallet, then buy from my affiliate link. No one send me this wallet for review. I bought it from my own hard earned money as a what? Maybe as a construction worker, maybe as a security guard, maybe as whatever. So make sure to support me. It was me, none other than Jimmy Agik. Subscribe and bye.
لست للفردوس آلا ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي